Trillions of invisible, shape-shifting devices are hidden across our planet. Could this be an alien surveillance network, or perhaps the greatest cover-up in human history? Richard Banduric, a former propulsion engineer for NASA and Lockheed Martin, has stepped into the spotlight with a shocking revelation. In a 2024 podcast, he claims that Earth is littered with advanced alien technology, trillions of cloaked devices, cleverly disguised and hidden in plain sight. Imagine this: materials that are not just advanced, but sentient. Banduric describes them as capable of reconfiguring themselves, cloaking from our view, and even self-destructing if they sense they're being studied. This isn't science fiction. It's a potential reality that challenges everything we know about technology and our place in the universe. Think about the implications. If these devices are indeed scattered around us, what are they observing? Are they monitoring human activity, or perhaps gathering data on our planet's ecosystems? The idea that we could be living alongside such advanced technology raises profound questions about our understanding of intelligence, both human and extraterrestrial. Banduric's claims don't just stop at the existence of these devices. He suggests that they could be remnants of a civilization far beyond our own, left behind for reasons we can only speculate about. Are they tools for exploration, or are they part of a larger, more complex system of surveillance? The thought of sentient materials that can adapt and hide from our detection is both thrilling and terrifying. What if they are observing us right now, silently gathering information while we go about our daily lives, unaware of their presence? This revelation forces us to reconsider our technological advancements. Are we truly at the forefront of innovation, or are we merely scratching the surface of what is possible? The existence of such alien technology could redefine our understanding of engineering, biology, and even consciousness itself. As we delve deeper into Banduric's claims, we must ask ourselves, what else is out there, hidden in the shadows of our own world? The answers may be more astonishing than we ever imagined,